this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be, as you could tell by the thumbnail ahead of time, it was all about close to my heart. And I just placed a video on my channel on the 1st of January regarding the inspirations, my goals, and all that stuff, just in general for the crafty business. Now I'm kind of focusing more on close to my heart. I just wanted to get out here because I know a lot of my customer base is also on my YouTube channel, along with in my crafty, My Scrappy Life group on Facebook. So what my goals and inspirations are for 2021, and then just kind of a recap of how everything went for me as my business, and then just in general kind of where I want to see it to go and bloom. This year has been a blessing for my family. Even though I work full-time, you guys all know that I'm a teacher, and this is just a side hustle that I absolutely love doing. It has absolutely nothing to do with, for me, this business is one, to get to know all you guys that follow me here. We talk all the time on all of my comments. I try to message back on all of the comments, and I did a fantastic job this year on keeping up with the comments, because when it came to this business, I wanted to flourish the fact that I see each and every comment that you guys have given me, whether it didn't matter what video I was on. I made sure I made a comment on everything, and I am caught up. All of the comments that I'm commenting on, just so that I can say that there has at least say thanks, thank you so much, my friend, on all of them, is I want to clear it out of my bin. Because in the creator spot on the back side of this, it shows who I haven't commented to. And I wanted to clear all that up in 2020. And I've gotten all of 2020 and almost all of 2019's comments cleared off. So I did a fantastic job of that. And that was something I never said to anybody. I just wanted to state that I am going into 2021, still doing that. I want to comment on everything. So drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, because I'm here to help. I don't like not answering, and I don't know how the comments got away from me in the first few years of doing this. Now, this, in November of 2021, it will be my 4-year anniversary. I started my YouTube channel in November of 2017, freshly like 2-3 weeks after I got back from Germany. I had my community page. Everybody's like, I need to see your process on your layouts. And I'm like, I don't know if I want to do videos. And you guys all were like, how long have you guys been doing this? Yes, 4 years. And it feels like I've done it for years. So I wanted to just come on here and say, because of this channel, my business for Close to My Heart, I joined Close to My Heart in April of 2016. So I will be hitting my 5-year anniversary. And this past year has been a blessing. I would have never ever thought that just to put it in perspective, I would have never thought that the sales I made this year in 2020 impact my family so much as they have. I understand that direct sales or any type business like this is stinking hard. I got it. I got it. I know that it's hard. If you don't work it, the money isn't there. If you work it, you got to work it 10 times harder if you want to make that coin. And us women, because I know that's pretty much who watches this, us women need this. Need our upbringing, need all of the positivity we possibly can get in this world. And this business has brought so much to my family, but it's brought so much to me as a female in this industry, and as a female in this world. So much more, because it brought me to you. and whoever is watching this. So this business has done an amazing amount of stuff for me. And yes, obviously when I do a direct sales business, it is about the commissions. I don't look at it that way. That the money that I make off of this has nothing to bear weight, where to somebody else it could. So I wanted to come on here and state it took me 5 years to get where I'm at in this business, and it's not because I didn't work. I work my tail off, and I am so grateful for each and every one of you that do come back to my channel and watch my videos. Do go to my websites. Do go to my group and comment and do things, because otherwise, if I didn't have you, I wouldn't be able to give out the free product that I do. I wouldn't be able to do the giveaways that I do, because otherwise, where else? I would be pulling out of my own paycheck from teaching. And that's not why we do this. You know what I mean? Like, that's not why I do this. I do this so that I can bring a business to you and show you what I can do. So after all of that thanks, I am going to give you some goals. My goals for 2021 is to come out in sales for the year. I want to try to hit that 25,000 mark. I was able to hit 11,000 this year in sales. Now that's not my commissions, okay? That's just in sales of what I have made throughout for you guys that have purchased from me, okay? So I want to hit 25,000. So if that means I'm going to not be a pushy salesperson, because that's just not me. But because of that goal, I will need to make 2,000 every month and some chump change. I have hit 1,000 to 1,000 or about 1,500 for quite a bit of the months, but not every month. So my goal intent is to hit about 2,000, you know, for that respect. Because if I can hit 2,000, that would be $24,000. If I hit 1,000, that would be $12,000 that I made in the year, which would still be fantastic. So ultimately, at the end of the day, that's like my sales goal. I would like to grow my team. I am sitting with a team of 3, and I would like to grow and just promote within. I have an amazing group of ladies that do join. So if you are interested, here's just my one lousy plug. If you are interested, leave your comment down below or message me privately. You know where all my handles are. And we can talk. But I would like to grow my team. I would like to get up there in, you know, just to have a team underneath me and have a consistent team that would be willing to, you know, go out there and get the sales and all that. My team is amazing. I have some amazing people underneath. Almost all of my team members, including my downlines, have a YouTube channel. I have Erica Creates as one of my design team, or not design teams, one of my consultants that are underneath me, one of my downlines. I have My Creative Life, Becky, and then I have the other Becky. Becky Bitten is also my down team. There's a couple other ones. I think JoJo's on it. Not JoJo. Maybe it is. There's a couple other ones. Anyway, it doesn't matter. There's a few, about 4 or 5 of us. Dolly is another one that's on my downline. We're all part of my team. And they're all there. Whether they're under Becky, myself, or whoever else, ultimately they're underneath me. And I'm so grateful to have them. We definitely build each other up. We are just fantastic. So that's kind of where I want to be. Also, the VIP program. The VIP program I'm going to hit a little bit harder, because I would love to have you guys get that 15% off. So with the VIP, I am 4 shy, as of January 1, when I do this video to upload into the first week of January, I'm 4 shy of 15 VIP individuals, and I would love to maximize that and then get it even further. and I would love to be able to have each and every one of you as a VIP if I could. So the VIP program, it's $35 to join, and then you get 15% right off the bat, and you get $15 in credit right off the bat. And you get credit. So anytime that you order, whether it's monthly, weekly, every other month, twice a year, whatever, you always get 15% off, and that credit will always be there for you to use on your next purchase. So whatever you purchase on day number 1, you get that 15% off, you get the credit, and then it shows up right away, instantly. The minute you place that order, that credit's there for you to use on your next purchase. So I would love to have you as a VIP if you choose to. Other than that, that is kind of where my goals are for 2021. I'm definitely going to do more videos of close to my heart products because I feel that you guys do like to see those. Just to use the products in general, of how to use them, and so you're not just wrapped into the fact that just because you get that paper in and they tell you exactly how to do things that you have to, because you don't. You know I don't follow them at all. You see I don't follow them at all. But you can get them if you need to. So with that being said, I hope that this gave you a little bit more insight of my business for 2020 and then going into 2021. I hope that you guys are just having a wonderful day. Obviously, thank you from the bottom of my heart, each and every one of you that has purchased from me. You guys are fantastic. You're a blessing to my family. However, you guys do have a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.